because like when you get into like definitions of friendship, it says that jealousy is absent, right? But like when I'm in these friendships and I'm active in my addiction, I'm dishonest, I'm selfish, I'm manipulative, I'm jealous, I'm all these things. It's not even a true friendship.
It's all about, everything is relationships, right?
Absolutely.
And the steps are relationships. You can look at it. Steps 1, 2, and 3 is designed for you to develop a relationship with God. 4, 5, 6, and 7 is you to develop a relationship with self.
Yep.
8 and 9 is your relationship with others. 10 is your main relationship with self. 11 is the main relationship with God. And 12 is the main relationship with others.
Right.
Our disease at its core is selfishness, right? God's will is selflessness. So now it's my job to design my day around experiencing God as much as I can
Right.
to win more moments than I lose every single day.